So that is it. And these are my top geography on this particular channel, as you can see. So in this video, I am going to straight away take you through how to check your channel's top geography. All right, now talking about your channel's top geography, it's all about how to know the places where your videos are mostly watched. That's the country where your videos are mostly watched. So YouTube has actually built this system to let all YouTubers get to find out that these are the countries where people actually watch your videos. Okay, so now what are some of the importance of getting to find out the top geography of your YouTube channel? Now, when you're able to find out that your videos are being watched in these countries or that countries or these cities, you'll be able to actually align and strategize yourself to actually be working around topics that are in favor of those people, topics that are mostly searched in those countries. For example, if you find out that your videos are mostly watched in Nigeria, you'll be able to actually be searching for topics that are relating to Nigerian content creators that are being searched by Nigerians, so that you work around it. And that is one of the ways to be able to get more views from your top countries. If you find out that your videos are mostly watched in let's say Ghana, that's West Africa, you begin to find out the topics that work best for Ghanaians, and then you work around that. If you find out that the most views you're having on your channel are coming from the United States of America or the UK or France or wherever across the globe, you begin to actually work it out so that you get a lot of views from that particular country. And it's very simple, and we're going to use our YouTube studio to actually do that. So this is exactly what you're going to do in your studio. You just go straight away onto your studio. Now with this studio, you can use your Chrome version of your studio, or you can use your PC studio version. Yes, and you can also use the Chrome version, that's the application on your mobile devices, to actually check that one. So quickly, let us get straight onto how to actually check your channel's top geography using your phone or your PC, wherever you find yourself across the globe. And I will let you know what to do to actually be able to get more views from that particular country. So now, to check your channel's top geography, that is the countries where your videos are mostly watched, first of all, you get to your studio. And now, as you can see, I'm at my studio now using the Chrome version on the phone. All right, so you get to your analytics, that is it over here. You check at the left side over there, that's the analytics. It depends on how it shows on your device. So you get to the analytics section, and then you see we have overview, we have content, we have audience, and then inspiration. All of them actually talk specifically about what you can do to actually get your YouTube channel running successfully. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're actually going to concentrate on audience. So let's click on audience right now, and then we wait patiently for it to open. Oh yes, so now that it is open, you could see that it is giving us a lot of metrics over here. Okay, so when it opens like this for you, you just scroll down, just be scrolling till you see top geographies, as you can see clearly over here. Yes, it's clear at your YouTube studio. Yeah, so this is the top geography showing, that is the last 28 days. So with this, you are actually going to be shown the top countries that have been watching your videos consistently. So that is it. And these are my top geography on this particular channel. As you can see, Ghana, that's my home country, taking 27.1%. So the views coming onto my channel for the last 28 days, 27.1% of the views I've been receiving for the last 28 days are all coming straight away from Ghana, West Africa. The next one is United States of America. That is a whole 10.9% views coming from United States of America. And then Nigeria, 3.7%. And then India, 2.5%. And then the United Kingdom, 1.8%. So this shows that these are the top countries that are watching my videos or my channel over here. So if you check it over there on your channel at your studio section, you're actually also going to find it. And the number of countries or the names of the countries may differ depending on the niche you find yourself in, or if you've created for yourself and what you do on your channel. But for my channel, that is it. And that's exactly how to actually find out your channel's geography. That's the top countries watching your videos across the globe. All right, so these are the top ones: Ghana, United States, Nigeria, India, and United Kingdom. So now you've been able to actually find out the top geography. So the next thing is being able to actually work it out and make videos that resonate these your audience. So what it means is that Chinese are not watching my videos on my channel over here actively. People in Asia are not actually watching except India. You understand? And so when you're making a video, you should be able to actually make a video that resonates with the people in Ghana, United States, Nigeria, India, and the United Kingdom. Actually, there are many, but just that the system actually sums up the top 5 now on my channel over here. So that's exactly what you're actually also going to see on your YouTube channel. So assuming you want to target Ghanaian people, you make sure you work around topics or content that Ghanaian people do normally search for. The same thing applies to the United States. You make sure you work on topics or content that are of interest in the United States of America or Nigeria, India, or United Kingdom, so that you can actually maintain your audience in these number of countries. So that is it, and that's exactly where I bring today's tutorial to an end on how to actually find out and check your top geography for your channel. That is the number of countries where your views are mostly and massively coming from. So if you have found value in this particular video, please do well to click on the subscribe button, be part of this my channel. Actually, I give out tutorials on how to grow your YouTube channel from start till the end. And please do well to share this particular video so that it benefits other people as well. Don't forget to like my video. And then if you have any question at all, please put it in the comment section and I will gladly attend to you over there. And I want you to give it a try. Just check it out on your YouTube studio. And if you're able to find that, let me know your top geographies, your top countries at the comment section, and then we take it from there. So God bless you. Until we meet next time, have a wonderful time.